Hey everyone, Gary Vaynerchuk here. Today we're diving into something that's going to blow your mind. If you're ready to take your YouTube game to the next level, then listen up. We're talking about the AI revolution that's sweeping across the platform. Ready to crush it on YouTube? We're talking explosive growth like you've never seen before. Imagine your channel skyrocketing, your views multiplying, and your subscriber count going through the roof. This isn't just hype, it's happening right now. Think 100 times your views and subscribers. The secret weapon? AI. It's changing the game in ways we couldn't have imagined just a few years ago. AI is not just a tool, it's a game changer, a revolution that's transforming how we create and consume content. This isn't the future, it's happening now. AI is already here and it's making waves across the digital landscape. From personalized recommendations to automated editing, AI is enhancing every aspect of the YouTube experience. We'll break it all down. Simple, actionable steps. Let's go. We'll show you how to harness the power of AI to optimize your content, engage your audience, and grow your channel like never before. No complicated jargon, just straightforward advice you can start using today. This is about taking your channel to the next level. AI is the key. With the right strategies, you can unlock unprecedented growth and success. We'll guide you through the process, step by step, ensuring you have all the tools you need to succeed. It's like having a team of experts working for you 24/7. Don't get left behind. AI can analyze your data, suggest improvements, and even automate tasks, giving you more time to focus on what you do best, creating amazing content. Jump in, and let's ride this wave together. The AI revolution is here, and it's time to take advantage of it. Join the movement, embrace the technology, and watch your YouTube channel soar to new heights. Let's make it happen. First things first, we need to understand the YouTube algorithm. Think of it as the gatekeeper to your success. In 2024, it's all about watch time, click-through rate, and engagement. Longer videos, around 10 to 20 minutes, are king. They keep people hooked, boosting your watch time. CTR is all about those first impressions. Your thumbnail and title need to grab attention. Make them irresistible. Engagement is key. Respond to comments, ask questions, build a community. The algorithm loves it. Now let's talk content creation. This is where AI really shines. Tools like NoteGPT and Cree.ai are game changers. They help you create amazing videos fast. NoteGPT is your script writing wizard. It takes complex topics and turns them into clear, engaging scripts. Cree.ai is your video editing guru. It helps you create stunning visuals and seamless edits. These tools save you time and make your content top-notch. Section 4. Optimization mastery with AI tools. Creating great content is just the beginning. You need to optimize it for the algorithm. That's where VidIQ and TubeBuddy come in. They're like your secret weapons for YouTube domination. VidIQ is your keyword research master. It helps you find the best keywords to target in your titles, descriptions, and tags. TubeBuddy is your analytics guru. It gives you insights into your channel's performance and helps you improve. Section 5. Subscriber growth strategies for YouTube domination. In this section, we will dive deep into the essential tactics and methods you can use to grow your subscriber base on YouTube. Whether you're just starting out or looking to expand your existing channel, these strategies will help you attract and retain more viewers. Now let's talk about growing your subscriber base. The first step is understanding your audience. Use YouTube analytics to see who is watching your videos, where they are from, and what content they engage with the most. This data is invaluable for tailoring your content to meet their needs and interests. This is where it gets really exciting. Once you know your audience, you can create content that resonates with them. Celebrate your milestones, no matter how small, and share these moments with your viewers. This builds a sense of community and makes your audience feel like they are part of your journey. The key is to create content that people love and keep them coming back for more. Invest in good equipment to improve your video and audio quality. Edit your videos to keep them engaging and professional. Consistency is crucial, so stick to a regular upload schedule. Start with a strong hook. Your introduction should be captivating and set the tone for the rest of the video. Make sure to introduce the topic clearly and let your viewers know what they can expect to learn or experience. Grab their attention in the first few seconds. Provide value. Whether it's through educational content, entertainment, or inspiration, make sure your viewers feel that their time is well spent. Use eye-catching thumbnails and titles to draw viewers in. Teach them something new, entertain them, or inspire them. Engage with your audience. Ask for their opinions, encourage them to leave comments, and make them feel heard. This interaction not only boosts your engagement metrics but also builds a loyal community. Respond to comments, ask questions, and create a sense of community. Collaborate with other creators. By working together, you can cross-promote each other's channels and reach new audiences. This not only helps in gaining subscribers but also enriches your content with diverse perspectives. Cross-promote your channels and reach new audiences. Utilize social media platforms to share your videos and engage with a broader audience. Remember, growing your subscriber base is a marathon, not a sprint. Stay patient, stay consistent, and keep creating content that you and your audience love. Section 6. Crafting a winning content strategy with AI. Having a solid content strategy is crucial. AI can help you create a data-driven plan that gets results. It's like having a crystal ball for your channel. AI tools can analyze your channel's performance, identify trends, and even suggest new content ideas. They can tell you what's working, what's not, and what your audience wants to see. Section 7. Monetizing your YouTube empire with AI. Finally, let's talk about monetization. This is the stage where all your hard work starts to pay off. You've spent countless hours creating content, engaging with your audience, and optimizing your videos. Now it's time to turn those efforts into tangible rewards. You've put in the work, now it's time to reap the rewards. Imagine the feeling of seeing your revenue grow, knowing that your passion and dedication are finally paying off. It's an exhilarating moment, and AI can help you get there faster and more efficiently. AI can help you maximize your earnings. By leveraging advanced algorithms and machine learning, AI can provide insights that were previously unimaginable. It can analyze vast amounts of data in real time, giving you a competitive edge in the ever-evolving world of YouTube. AI can analyze viewer data to determine the best times to post. This means you can schedule your content to go live when your audience is most active, increasing the chances of higher engagement and more views. Timing is everything, and AI ensures you get it right every time. AI can also identify the most effective ad placements. By understanding viewer behavior and preferences, AI can suggest where to place ads within your videos to maximize revenue without compromising the viewer experience. This balance is crucial for maintaining a loyal audience while still monetizing effectively. And let's not forget about the types of content that generate the most revenue. AI can analyze trends and patterns to help you understand what your audience loves. This means you can create more of the content that drives revenue, ensuring your channel remains profitable and engaging. It's like having a personal financial advisor for your channel. AI provides you with the insights and strategies you need to make informed decisions, helping you to grow your channel and increase your earnings. It's a game changer for content creators looking to take their YouTube empire to the next level. In conclusion, AI is revolutionizing the way we create and consume content on YouTube. It's not just about making videos anymore. It's about using technology to optimize every aspect of your channel. From content creation to monetization, AI is the key to unlocking your full potential. By embracing these tools and strategies, you can unlock unprecedented growth. Imagine reaching new heights with your channel, attracting more viewers, and generating more revenue than ever before. The possibilities are endless when you harness the power of AI. Turn your channel into a powerful income-generating machine. With the right approach and the help of AI, you can transform your passion into a lucrative business. It's time to take control of your financial future and make your YouTube dreams a reality. Now go out there and crush it. The world is waiting for your content, and with AI by your side, there's no limit to what you can achieve. So, get started today and watch your YouTube empire grow beyond your wildest dreams.